Hello everyone, I am Mehmet Ali from the BamBamSignals team. Today, I want to show you the artificial intelligence assistant we have developed. You can reach it by clicking here or here. You are greeted by such a screen. These sections are still in the development phase. When you click here, you enlarge the screen. When you press here in the selected prompt section, when you develop this system, you can write your own prompts in the future. For example, I have one here, and additionally here, you need to create a persona that expresses yourself and how you want the artificial intelligence to work in the AI persona section. My recommendation for you is 0.7. You can consider this area as somewhat more imaginative and this area as somewhat more rule-oriented. Then we press close. When we enter the configuration section, we select the token we want to analyze here. I will choose Bitcoin. There are specific metrics here. These are called price data, volume correlation, price correlation, prediction, seasonality, and indicators. In which time frame? If you want it analyzed, you can choose it. I'll price Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. I want it to be analyzed. Additionally, I wanted to include volume correlation, price correlation, and prediction, meaning forecasting, and seasonality to be identified. These are our own created data sets. They are unique. Then, additionally, I add the Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku Cloud, and RSI indicators. Ichimoku Cloud, Paki Cloud, and Native Switch. Usually, Inner Look Cloud CS. I won't use this. These three are enough for me. If I want, I can add a price bag on the fourth line for the long term. To get analysis, then I add the latest news, price action models. If I'm going to ask a question about this, I can add it. If I'm curious about Elite Weber and want to ask a question about it, I can add that too, but I don't need these right now. Just these are enough for me. I do OK, and then I ask, go out. Simply, you can write in Turkish, you can write in English, you can write in Arabic, in whichever language you want. You can write in Japanese, you can write in whichever language you want. When I say set, the system generates the necessary data in the background and asks a question to our artificial intelligence, our training artificial intelligence. And it will give you a response from there. Yes, the results have arrived. As you can see, it shares the analysis it performed with us. Below, you can see the downward results, value recommendation, position, quality, analysis score, and risk management. If you want, you can request different suggestions by discussing this. I will ask it a question. I said, can you show me the support and resistance points? When I say send, it will respond to me. Yes, it is started. Subscribe, subscribe. And gave the answer. Or you can get a different kind of support from it. For example, you can find a phrase like this. I asked it that I am in a bad situation, that I entered the trade short, and how I should get out of it, and it gives me an answer. It will tell me what I need to do. In essence, it will mentor you. It will act like a trading mentor. As you can see, it provides the type of data. And let's say, search for the perception concept you see as the closest that you determined. And it lists for us the most successful perception concepts and possibilities it has found right now. You can benefit from these. I am asking him another question. I asked for his comment on the news and the status of the indicators. And is giving us an analysis right now. He did an analysis about the news and shared the indicator statuses. And I'll ask for his last idea. I asked him how I should enter and how I should manage my risk. At the moment, you can think of it as speaking to an expert about Bitcoin with the metrics we are looking at. And it gave me a result. It talked about the approach situation. It talked about conditions. How should the stop be? How should the position be? How should the profit targets and risk reward ratio be? How should I enter? And how should I exit? He shared the information with you in detail and assisted you in the same way. If you want to use it, you can continue by selecting your own settings from here. Additionally, if you want, you can load another token on top of this. You can gather data about both and ask for ideas on hatch positions. Thank you for listening. See you all later.